Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to Walmart and I need to get some things for our 4th of July party. So if you were expecting the part 2 to our vacation, sorry, I gotta get ready for this party. I'll try to have it up with a part 2 for next week, maybe Monday. But I have a couple of exciting videos that are coming up, so I want to make sure that I get them in before the 4th of July, because I know a couple of you have asked for some ideas for desserts, and I'm going to show you a couple tomorrow. So let's go first to Walmart, see what we can get, and I'll show you what I buy. Here we go. Hopefully I can remember everything. Didn't write a list. Not a good idea, right guys? Or maybe more to share with you. I don't know. We'll see. So the other day I came to Walmart just looking for stuff, and I was so surprised. I don't normally come into the freezer section for so much for pre-made meals, but they have some packs, the Walmart brand, that I couldn't pass up. So I will buy another one of those fire roasted steak, but I'll probably this time get the chicken one because that's an easy meal to put with rice, and I thought Paul would really like that. And look at this Tuscan grilled chicken. So I'm gonna take a look at some of these and I'll show you what I get. Did I ever tell you how hot it gets here in Las Vegas? So right now it's just barely 12 o'clock and it's already 102 of the 106 it's projected. So I have to keep all of my groceries in the car so things don't melt. So I need to hurry up and get home, and I'll show you what I got, so those things that are in the freezer section doesn't thaw out in my car. I unpacked it all by myself. My boys are out with Grandpa right now, so no helpers. Hot, sweaty. Okay, so I will tell you right now, I spent $210, but not all of it is food. So what I think I'll do is I'll show you the stuff that I got for our weekly food, or weekly food haul, and then I'll show you what I got for our 4th of July party. So let's do this. All right, so most of it is for 4th of July, which is good because I'll explain. I got some sour cream for this week, and I ended up getting the chicken fajitas. Now these are about $8 or $9 each, and I also got the Italian chicken. You can see it's got potatoes and asparagus. So I think these are well worth it because you could always just make some white rice. Like this one, I will serve with some corn tortillas, and these are perfectly great for gluten-free or lean eating. So oven baked, right? And right now with it being summer and full swing, I'm making things as easy as possible for me. So let's keep going. I got Paul some trail mix. I bought the boys some strawberry cereal bars. Now I actually have a recipe. I'm not sure if I filmed it, but it's the Pioneer Woman's cereal bars. I actually have a recipe. I'm not sure if I filmed it, but it's the Pioneer Woman's cereal bars. I also got Paul these gluten-free healthy grain cereal bars, or granola bars. Kind is really good, and Paul really likes them. And I just got off the phone with my missionary, and he's doing great. He looks great, and I'm just happy to hear from him, even if it is just for a few minutes. So let me get through because I got lots of things that need to go into the freezer. So let's do this. Okay, so I have some milk I got these cereals. They were just $1. So I like that because we're not big cereal eaters, but in case the boys want to snack on a little bit, this is the perfect way to go. Also, I got Dave's Killer Bread, so I'll put that in the freezer and we'll take it out if we need it during the week, but this is good bread, and they do sell it in bulk at Costco. I have some tater tots that will be great for meals or a casserole during the week if I need it. I also got some self-rising flour. So if you haven't made those 2-ingredient bagels, this is what you need. So this stuff is so easy to make, those bagels, and it's the DIY mommy's recipe, but I know it's a Weight Watchers recipe. So 2 ingredients, just Greek yogurt. So I just needed a little bit more of this. I also got Paul some more yogurts, perfect for breakfast, and just a couple of treats for the kids. Ezra's gotta have his strawberry waffles, so I got a couple of those. And have you tried these? These are so good. So Winco right now, in my Winco, they're selling them for $1.98. These were $1.48 at Walmart, but they are so good. Just a hint of flavor, and I love it. So I bought some some dishes and, paper plates. So they're ready for our friends. Now we are inviting, I don't know, 4 or 5 families. And so just want to make sure we have everything we need. I also have bought 4 boxes of these different kinds of popsicles. Now we've been doing this water balloon fight for like 6 years now. And so I've learned a couple of things, that if you want kids to help clean up, you offer them a popsicle after they've picked up. So I have them, all the kids do it as fast as possible, and then I just walk around and hand these out. So it's kind of win-win for all the little kids. So, and it makes my neighborhood much cleaner, which I always feel so kind of bad about. Okay, so I also got one of these macaroni salads and 1 potato salad, because I just figure the deli makes them perfectly fine. In fact, I really like the macaroni salad version. So let's put these away and keep going. So I have 24 hamburger buns. I got 2 packs of these and 4 packs of the 8, so 32. And now if we have any more people coming, then it's easy to just go to the store and pick up some more. In fact, I might even have a couple in the freezer. So I got 8 pounds of 80-20. 80-20. This is the good beef fat ratio to make really juicy burgers, as Paul likes. So I got those for him. Plus, I got 4 packs of these. Now, these are longer and bun length, and we are fans of the beef hot dog, but not the thicker beef hot dog. So these ones are just like kind of thin, and we like Nathan's. So that will be great for sharing with families. I got a couple of boxed cake mixes, which will be super easy to make the upcoming dessert. I have a couple of, I love German chocolate. It's so good. So I have a couple of frostings for that. I have some candy melts. So of course, a red, white, and blue. I also have some of this sprinkle glitter that's in silver. So you see a theme here. I got some more of this Crystal Light, the store version, which is super good. This one is our favorite, strawberry orange banana. I purchased some American cheese for the hamburgers, plus I have some in the drawer in the fridge. So there's enough for all of the burgers if everybody wants one, which is great. I got some mayo, Paul's favorite, and some ketchup that were squirtable, because I wanted our guests to be able to just put it on their buns and not have to worry about using a knife. And of course, I forgot to also mention, I just picked up some forks. So right behind me, I also have a watermelon and some toiletries here, just some paper towels and toilet paper. But do you want to see? I got a splurgy item. Do you want to see it? I bought this shirt for $7. It's like a peplum. Is it peplum or like a baby doll? And so it'll be super cute. I know it's kind of hard to see because it's black, but here in the sun, it's got like a scoopy neck, and it's got that little baby doll empire waisted, high waisted. So, and it's just a shirt. I love it. So all of this, like I said, was $210. Let me know in the comments what your favorite things to make or eat on the 4th of July, and if I did a pretty good job. Last thing that I know that I forgot, but I did it on purpose, is lettuce and tomato and onions. I like to get those the day before, so that way I have the freshest of the veggies, and then that way it'll just be ready to go on the 4th of July. Just slice those up and put them on a platter for our guests. It'll be wonderful. So, as you can see, burgers and hot dogs are our favorite, of course. I love the traditional 4th of July meal, but if you have some different favorites, let me know. I'm so grateful for you to be stopping by my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you love watching people's hauls, because I certainly do. And I hope that you have a wonderful 4th of July. Tomorrow I will have out my go-to favorite 4th of July desserts. And oh, and back here I forgot, I do have some pretzel rods, like the big stick pretzels, and I'll show you what I use those for too. So thanks so much for stopping by. I'm grateful for all of you, and stick around. You know what I'm rolling out tomorrow, 4th of July desserts. Bye everyone.